Bulk import estimates into QuickBooks Desktop. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on bulk importing estimates from an Excel or CSV file into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt transactions. In minutes, we'll guide you through this seamless process. SaasAnt is an exceptional tool that simplifies data integration between Excel and QuickBooks Desktop, making importing entries a breeze. Let's get started. Open your Excel file containing the estimates. Make sure the file is structured with columns for date, customer name, bill number, amount, and all other required data. Accurate data and proper formatting are critical. Download and install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop and connect to QuickBooks. Now change your tab to QuickBooks and then allow the QuickBooks application certificate to authorize SaasAnt Transaction Desktop. Now, SaasAnt is all set to import transactions. Navigate to the file, click Import, and select the transaction type as Estimates. SaasAnt's user-friendly interface streamlines the entire importing process. You can browse the Excel file and upload it from your local computer. Map the columns from your Excel file to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Ensure a proper match for the date, customer name, bill number, amount, and all others. SaasAnt will automatically detect the headers, then display a preview of your data if you have used the SaasAnt template. Now click Next. Review the file summary presented by SaasAnt to confirm accurate mapping and data alignment. Double-check before proceeding with the upload process. Initiate the import process by clicking Send to QuickBooks in SaasAnt. Sit back as SaasAnt seamlessly transfers your estimates to QuickBooks. Now verify your imported transactions in QuickBooks, which allows you to check the transactions through their respective transaction response ID icons. Now, your estimates have been successfully imported. Let's see some troubleshooting tips if you encounter any import issues. Troubleshooting Tip 1. Suppose you imported the wrong file into QuickBooks, missed adding information, duplicated a file import, or incorrectly matched data. In that case, you can use SaasAnt's Undo feature to quickly remove any entries processed incorrectly. Troubleshooting Tip 2. If you want to add new customer products or services that needs to be added to QuickBooks, you may need help importing it. You can resolve this by going to the Import settings and selecting the tab labeled Item for the option Create Product or Service automatically. Turn it on. And save the settings. This change will enable SaasAnt to create new product or service in QuickBooks that match your Excel sheet. SaasAnt offers features to automate importing, making it quicker and easier. You can set up the automation system using FTP automation feature, saving time by repeatedly reducing the need to do the same tasks. SaasAnt Transactions enhances your accounting workflow significantly by quickly importing large amounts of data into QuickBooks. It eliminates manual data entry, making your accounting workflow more efficient by directly transferring Excel data into QuickBooks and 𝐻𝑒ℎ. To get started, SaasAnt offers a 30-day trial without requiring a credit card, and subscription plans are incredibly affordable. For more details, visit the SaasAnt website.